Picture yourself in the 2019 Acura RDX. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll be sleek, safe, and smooth in the RDX luxury crossover SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, power passenger seat, keyless start. Drive your best life. Get into an Acura RDX today.